Hey guys, this week we are talking about longer than and shorter than when we are comparing two objects. So I wanted to show you how you could measure two objects in your home using non-standard units. So a non-standard unit is when you are using objects that are the same size to measure something. So at my house we have a lot of Legos. So if I wanted to measure something using Legos, I would need to find the Legos that are exactly the same size. So if I wanted to find a whole bunch of square Legos, I could use these when I'm measuring. But I wouldn't use Legos that are different sizes when I'm measuring, because that's going to mess up my answer. I want my answer to be consistent. So whatever you choose to measure with around your house, they need to be the same size that you're going to use. You could even use Lego people. If they were all the same size, you could line up Lego people. That would work too. I'm going to use pennies because I know that pennies are all the same size. And I'm going to measure two animals that we have in our home. I want to measure the length of the animals. So I'm going to lay them both down next to each other. And just by looking at them, I can tell that this dog is longer than this dog. But I want to actually measure and see how much longer it is. So I like to use pencils to mark the beginning and the end of the animal. So I'm going to put one pencil here to mark one end, and I'm laying the other pencil at the tip of its head. And then I'm going to do the same thing with this pencil. I'm going to put this pencil at the tip of his nose, and this one right where his little feet are. And then I'm going to move them away. And I'm going to line up my pennies in between these two pencils to see how long the dogs are. And I can count while I'm doing it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 pennies fit, and I'm putting them right next to each other. I'm not leaving any gaps. All right? So, are you looking down here? Yep, all right. So this dog is 10 pennies long. I'm going to do the same thing on this side. I'm going to start at this pencil and I'm going to line up my pennies until I get to this end. And you can count with me, and maybe you can guess how many. If this is 10, maybe that will be about 20. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, gotta line them up. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We were close. 21, 22. So I can say that this dog was 10 pennies long, and this dog was 22 pennies long. I could say that this dog had 12 more pennies than this dog did. I could say that this dog is shorter than this dog. In order then to be equal, this dog would need 12 more pennies to be equal. So those are the kinds of conversations that you can have at home as you're measuring different objects around your house. So good luck measuring and have fun.